this bad. Players were always falling. I know you need out sometimes.
Hi guys, we're on a bus ride off to MOA. Second vlog. Second vlog. Yes, the first vlog is still unedited. Love my makeup. Here's Pat. She's my vlog. We should make a video. Yeah, we're gonna make one and put it there. So, see you guys. Follow us soon. Hi guys, touchdown. Oh wow. That's the globe, guys. We're here. We're gonna eat first. And we're gonna roam around. Yeah,
We're gonna go to MOA Starbucks.
yeah, we're gonna go there and drink coffee, of course.
May 285 also.
Yeah, Patricia's Golden Match. Me, I'm gonna try to order the drink that I liked before. I don't know. Is it visible? Dead ma sa buzzer. Sasabihin nila, ano, paano naman mga ano to? Dead ma na lang po. Vlog body. Guys, we're here. Oh, wow. So we're gonna go Suda and eat. Bye. We're inside. That's Pat. Hi, Pat. Our food arrived. We're gonna eat. And we'll rate the food later. Hi guys. Finished eating. Off to Red Dog. Then Starbucks by the Bay. Parang maglulugay ako. Kasi don't like how my face is looking. Yeah. Ay! Ayun po guys. But she's so glowing. You're so glowing. The goods. Hi guys! We have the goods. We bought 4 breads in total. Naiiya si Pat. She's shy. And I'm so makapalang mukha.
Dilim na naman ng langit.
Got the bread. We bought a lot. And we're gonna bring this inside Starbucks. This is my first time trying bread talk.
Green. Ako na.
The sky is gloomy. Gosh. Look guys, it's gloomy. And we're pretty. It's gloomy and we're pretty. So, ayan. Hi guys, we're crossing the pedestrian going to Starbucks by the
By the
Bay.
Bay. Yeah.
Yeah, and as you can see, that's the famous Ferris wheel
Conrad.
here. This is Conrad. For all the, what's the title again? The Summer I Turned Pretty fans. This is us.
I'm doing the map.
Yeah.
I'm the map. I'm the
You know the dynamics of this friendship. She's the leader and I'm the follower. Because I'm poor with directions.
Tingin pwedeng na odomerat.
I'm following her. We're going there.
Ganda lang sa... Oh my God, it's been years. May profile ako na yan pa yung likod eh.
Ito. This is Patricia's second time. This is my first. Hoping may makabanggaan na. Hindi na para maging love story pa ang araw na to. Bye guys. Guys, you're right. Almost. Broken is not broken. So, it's a prank guys. We have not arrived. We're a bit lost.
Malapit pa sa Ferris wheel.
Yun, may chairs pa. Yun, I miss
Kaya
them.
natin yung flat bread ko, yung bread talk natin. Ito ba?
Here's our food, guys. I ordered brown sugar, soy milk, iced chicken espresso. To Pat ordered the pink drink. Here's pa. And we have bread from Bread Talk. Wanna have a drink? How's it? My drink is so pretty. Ooh. Soy milk powder. Yan yung nilalagay nila sa akin. Di ba yung Arbiter yung ice cream sa may powder? It's not Graham. Di ba nagkakaroon ako ng Graham powder lang? No, pre. It's soy milk powder. I remember I love this drink, so let's eat. Let's go. Hi guys! We are now on our way to the game. Finished ka na guys. Napabot pa ako dun sa crush ko. Okay, papunta na kami sa Mawa Arena. We're walking. Grabe, ano pa lang to ha? Trip to Mawa pa lang yung mga clips. Wala pa nung laro mismo.
Ang i-video mo na lang ay start at finish.
Totoo, nung nakaraan kasi talagang
Kada
daig
dalaw
ko pa yung ano eh. Kada parang, uy, magrarambulan na to. Lumalabas yung camera ko. Hashtag dedicated videographer. Hi guys, we're inside. Nasa baba kami guys, we're so close sa players. Guess where our seats are?
Na para bang kami yung mga girlfriend ng mga to.
Totoo. Patron seat guys, tapos A. Makahiya actually.
Sayang mo to.
Hi guys, we're here with our friend. What? Join. That's later for you to know kung sino yan. We're looking for Steph. She's calling me. Wait. Guys, we saw Steph.
Steph, ano bang uwi? So
This is for our vlog. We saw Steph. Ano ba si Cedric umaalis pa?
Ay, sorry.